In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete call history from Snapchat. Deleting call history on Snapchat can seem a bit tricky, especially since the app does not allow for individual entries to be deleted. Instead, the call records are tied to your chat conversations. This means that to remove call history, you need to clear the entire conversation with the person involved. Understanding this process is essential for maintaining your privacy and keeping your chat feed organized. First, open the Snapchat app on your device and sign into your account. This step is crucial because you need to access your personal account to manage your conversations. Once logged in, you will be taken to the main screen. Here, you will see various options, but your focus should be on the Chat tab. This is where all your conversations are displayed. It's important to know that Snapchat keeps everything linked to these chats, including your call history. Next, tap the Chat tab at the bottom of your screen. This will bring up a list of all your recent conversations. Look for the specific conversation that contains the call history you want to delete. Here you will see the names or bitmojis of your friends along with any ongoing chats. Identifying the right chat is important because that is where your call history is stored. Once you locate the conversation, you can proceed to the next step. Now, press and hold the conversation containing the call history you wish to remove. Holding down on the conversation will open up a menu with various options. This is a simple yet effective way to access conversation settings directly. You will notice options related to chat settings, notifications, and more. It is essential to navigate this menu properly to find the clear conversation option that will help you remove the call history. From there, tap on Chat and Notification settings to access more detailed options. This step is key because it leads you to the specific settings related to the chat you want to modify. It's helpful to know that these settings allow you to manage how you receive notifications and how your conversations appear. You should now have access to options that will help you clear your chat feed, including the call history. After that, tap Clear from Chat Feed or Clear Conversation depending on your app version. This action is where you actually initiate the deletion of the conversation. It's vital to choose the correct option, as this will determine what gets cleared from your feed. Once you select this option, you're one step away from removing your call history. Remember, this action will clear all messages and calls associated with that conversation, helping to keep your chat feed tidy. Next, confirm the action to finalize the deletion process. This confirmation ensures that you really want to remove the conversation and its associated call history. It is designed to prevent accidental deletions, so take a moment to consider if you are ready to proceed. Once confirmed, the conversation will disappear from your chat feed, and so will the call history linked to it. If call history still appears after these steps, there is another way to manage your data. Open Snapchat again and tap your profile, represented by your Bitmoji. This step is essential because it takes you to your personal settings where you can further manage your data. You will see various options related to your account, including settings for privacy and data management. Now, tap the settings icon, which looks like a gear. This is where you can access a variety of settings to customize your Snapchat experience. By scrolling down, you'll find the privacy controls. This section is important for managing your data and keeping your account secure. It is helpful to regularly check these settings to ensure your privacy preferences are up to date. From there, scroll to Privacy Controls and choose Clear Data. Here you will see options for clearing different types of data associated with your account. It's crucial to understand what data you are clearing, as this can impact your overall experience on Snapchat. By selecting the relevant data, such as conversations or cached data, you can ensure that your call history is no longer visible. Finally, confirm the action to clear any relevant data. This step is necessary to complete the process and ensure the changes are saved. Snapchat does not have a specific option for clearing call history, but managing your conversation data effectively achieves the same outcome. Now you can enjoy a cleaner chat feed without unwanted call history cluttering your conversations.